Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Snapchat's Memories feature. Open the Snapchat application in your mobile. After it open, for a Snapchat memory, you just need to tap on this icon which is showing in the left bottom, the gallery icon, or you can just swipe up to the screen. So here are the Snapchat memories. Like I am using this Snapchat memory. So now you see I can add this memory to my story, or if you want to send it to your friend, you can just simply tap on this send to icon. So you will see you can share this on WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram or anywhere. If you want to send this story to your friend, you can simply send this story by the same process. You just need to select one of your friends. After selecting your friend, just simply tap on this send icon which is showing at the right bottom. So that's how you can use Snapchat's memories feature. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.